Okay. So what is a blog? We have finished all this information yesterday. It is a short form of weblog, and it is a website which maintains an ongoing flow of information. Continuous information is provided, and those posts entries are given in reverse chronological order, means whatever is the latest will come first. There is a huge range of blogs. We have seen yesterday all these things. Okay. Now we have also learned what is a blogger, who is called as a blogger. Blogger is a person who is the owner of the blog, or owns the blog, or runs the blog. Even he maintains the blog, correct? And what are his duties? He is responsible for posting articles, new posts, information, sharing the most updated news, opinions, and case study, etc. Such entries are known as blog posts. Okay, do remember what is blogger? Do you remember what is blog post? Okay, got it. I think we have finished common aspects also, but let us again understand all those common aspects of a blog. See, there is a main content area with articles listed chronologically in the reverse order. Okay, so let me just show you that. Please wait a minute, students. Please wait a minute. Suppose this is a blog, this is your blog page. Okay, this is the website, the page of that website, correct? So on that page, there will be main content area. So in that main content area, entries or posts will be given in reverse chronological order. Means the new post will come at the top, then next, like that. It will, okay, it will give the information, correct? Oh, so sorry. I did not realize I was on mute. Sorry. So again, I will discuss these things. Don't worry. So there is a main content area with articles, and those articles are given in the list in reverse chronological order. Okay, the new will come on the top. Then there is an archival folder. In that you can get the older articles. See, अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना, एक web page बना के दिखाया था. Correct. In that web page, only recent articles or say a month before articles will be there. But what about suppose you have started the blog last year? So there can be many articles or posts you might have written. Those articles you can find in archive folder. Next is leave comments. So you can comment feature. So you can leave readers can leave comments about the article. Then there is a concept called blog roll. Now what is a blog roll? See, if I'm writing a blog about English grammar, I have selected tense. So there are many related articles dealing with tense. So I can provide you a list of those links to those articles. तो वो वेबसाइट वो वेब पेजेस की मैं क्या कर दूंगी, लिंक, सभी लिंक पोस्ट करूंगी, एक लिस्ट बनाऊंगी वहां पे, एंड दैट लिस्ट ऑफ लिंक्स इज कॉल्ड एज ब्लॉग रोल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड ब्लॉग रोल. I hope you understood blog roll. Okay. Next is comment moderation feature. Now comment moderation feature allows you to monitor and control the comments. आप comments monitor कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके के comments आते हैं, कैसे comments आते हैं. So you can monitor that as well as you can control it. Controlling means you can see some of the relevant comments you can keep and other comments you can delete. So those comment moderation features are available. Next is blogging tool. Here L is missing. So what is blogging tools? Blogging tools are available to take care of your site management. The website is managed by using these blogging tools, as well as we can overcome comment spam. Unnecessary जो comments आते, those comments you can manage, you can overcome by using these blogging tools. I hope you understood this. Yesterday we have seen all these things. Again, I have repeated it. So let us move to the next slide. Let us understand types of blogs. The first one is personal blog. What is a personal blog? It is an ongoing diary or commentary written by an individual. So who writes this blog? कौन लिखता है? An individual. An individual means a single person. कौन लिखता है? One single individual. Okay. About what? About his life. It is a personal blog. So you are writing a diary, na? You are writing a diary. It can be a diary. Ongoing diary means every day you are posting different kinds of posts on your blog. Every single day's diary you are maintaining there. You can write about your life experiences there. Even it can be a commentary written by you. Commentary means suppose different things are happening around you. You can talk about that. You can make your own comments. You can express your opinions there. So it can be your diary. Diary writing पता है ना आप लोग, diary मतलब handwritten diaries. अब डायरीज मेंटेन करते हैं, नया साल स्टार्ट होने के बाद फर्स्ट डे से आप क्या हुआ आज, ये सभी चीजें आप रात को जब लोग लिखते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डायरी. ओके. सो द सेम थिंग यू कैन डू ऑनलाइन. आप ऑनलाइन में ये ब्लॉग पे वही चीज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जो आपकी जो हैंड रिटन डायरी है, दैट इज वेरी पर्सनल एंड यू डोंट लाइक दैट अदर पीपल शुड रीड दैट. ओके. But here, personal blog is for all to read your personal experiences. Commentary, different things, incidents, issues, problems occur around you, and you comment about that, you talk about that, then it is commentary. And one single person writes this. Next is collaborative blog or group blog. These are the posts or blogs written, not blogs. These are the posts written and published by more than one author. So here देखिए, यहाँ पे देखिए आप one individual and here there are more than one author. यहाँ पे एक से ज्यादा लोग लिख रहे हैं ये ब्लॉग, एक ही सिंगल थीम में, एक ही टॉपिक है. थीम इज नथिंग बट टॉपिक, एक ही टॉपिक है, उसके बारे में कितने लोग लिख रहे हैं, मोर देन वन ऑथर. Okay, so they are writing, these posts are written by more than one author and dealing with a single topic. Next is micro blogging. Micro का मतलब है small. Blogging, small blogging means what? So it is a blog where small pieces of digital content are given, are posted. डिजिटल कंटेंट पता है ना, जो आप मोबाइल पे वीडियो बनाते हो, पीडीएफ बनाते हो, इमेजेस क्लिक करते हो, ऑल दोज आर कॉल्ड एज डिजिटल कंटेंट. ओके, I hope I'm audible to you all. Am I audible? Okay, so all those are called as digital content. All those small pieces are called as digital content. So in that digital content, what are the things come? Pictures, links, short videos, other media, all those are called as microblogging. Okay, next is corporate or private blog. So what is a corporate blog, private blog? क्या हो सकता है corporate blog, private blog? It is a blog maintained by a company. ये मेंटेन कौन करता है ब्लॉग? Who maintains this blog? This blog is maintained by a company. For which purpose? What is the purpose of this? The purpose of maintaining the blog is marketing, branding as well as for public relation. तो किस चीज के लिए करते हैं सभी चीजें? किस मतलब for what purpose this blog is maintained? Marketing, to marketize the product. Branding, branding मतलब to create your name, reputation, for creating the name of that product, branding. As well as for public relation. Public relation is nothing but communicating the general public in the society. So for that communication also, this blog is very useful. So companies, they maintain a blog for the sake of marketing, for the sake of say branding, as well as for public relation. Next is aggregate blog. Aggregate blog, aggregate का मतलब क्या है? Together. ओके, आपको मार्किंग भी होता है ना, एग्रीगेट मार्किंग रहता है आपका. सो एग्रीगेट मीन्स टुगेदर. सो व्हाट यू आर गिविंग टुगेदर? सो हु राइट्स दिस ब्लॉग? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट फर्स्ट. हु राइट्स दिस ब्लॉग? कौन लिखता है ये ब्लॉग? इंडिविजुअल्स और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. कौन लिखता है? Individual, single or many, or even organizations. So people as well as organizations, they write this blog, and see, there can be a specific topic or a product. Suppose a company is writing about the product, so all the selected feeds related to that product, they will give together. Okay, so what the companies will do, जो प्रोडक्ट के बारे में सभी जो इंफॉर्मेशन है, रिलेटेड स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन है, all that information will be given on a same blog. Suppose individuals are writing the blog, they will select a topic and related to that topic, all the information, selected feeds, they will collect and they will post. Okay, so that the readers can get the combined view. Combined view means एक ही चीज के बारे में सभी इंफॉर्मेशन एक जगह मिल जाती है ना. सो द रीडर्स विल गेट द कंबाइंड व्यू. नाउ यू कैन हियर ना मी? कैन यू हियर मी ना? readers will get the combined view of that particular topic. Okay, understood this? Got it? So let us move ahead. The next is blogs on the basis of genre. So there are different kinds of genres such as politics, health, journalism, education, classical music. So a person can write a blog about any topic. Okay, so the blogs which are based on genre can be any. There are many types of genre. There are many types of genre. अलग अलग टॉपिक है ना, अलग अलग फील्ड है, टाइप्स है. सो पॉलिटिक्स है, हेल्थ है, जर्नलिज्म है, एजुकेशन है, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है, फूड, फैशन. यू कैन हैव अ लिस्ट ऑफ इट, लिस्ट ऑफ genre, and based on that there can be a blog. Based on media, there are these different types of genre, different types of blogs. The first one is vlog. So the blog which gives or comprises videos. बहुत से अलग अलग तरीके के वीडियो बना के जब आप ब्लॉग में डालते हो, only videos. This blog contains only videos. So that is called as vlog. Next is link log. As the name suggests, you provide here links of different subjects related to different things. So only links will be there on the link log. Next is sketch blog. Sketch blog, sketch पता है ना, आप भी sketches बनाते हैं. So when you are providing all the sketches together on a blog, then it is called as a sketch blog. ठीक है, खाली ये क्या है, स्केचेस देते हैं आप, इमेजेस, पिक्चर जो आप हाथ से बनाते हैं ना. सो ओनली दोज व्हेन यू गिव, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्केच ब्लॉग. फोटो ब्लॉग, all the photos, different kinds of photos you provide here, so it is a photo blog. Correct? A person can make a theme of that photo blog. Photo blog की theme भी वो रख सकता है. Only nature photo, only children's photo, only flowers photo. So you can select a theme or you can combine any photo you can put there. So but only when you are comprising photos only on a blog, then it is called as a photo blog. Next is tumble log. Now what is a tumble log? Tumble log is a short blog with shorter posts and mixed types. यहाँ पे types में क्या आता है? All types of media. Okay. So shorter posts रहते हैं. Posts are very short. And what you provide there? What do you provide there? Mixed types of media is given. Mixed type सभी तरह के say. There can be certain images, there can be certain short videos. So such kind of media, mixed types of media you provide, and shorter notes or shorter posts when you provide on a blog, then it is called as tumble log. Next is typecast. Some of the people may not be much comfortable with laptop and other typing, so they can write, and after writing they can scan that page and they can post it on the blog, then it is called as a typecast. बहुत से लोग क्या होते हैं, उनको ये कंफर्टेबल नहीं होता टाइपिंग वगैरह, सो दे क्या करते हैं, वो लिखने के बाद उसका इमेज निकाल के या फिर वो स्कैन करके ये ब्लॉग पे डाल देते हैं, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज टाइपकास्ट ब्लॉग. दोज पीपल कैन ऑल्सो टाइप राइट. ओके, सो टाइपराइटर पे भी लिख के ये वो जो प्रिंट निकालते हैं, वो पेज निकालते हैं, देन दैट पेज ऑल्सो यू कैन पोस्ट on that blog. Basically here the meaning is expected not handwritten, but the blog is written on typewriter. That's why it is called as typecast. टाइपराइटर पे क्या करते हैं, टाइप करके वो पेज का प्रिंट निकाल के, मतलब टाइपराइटर पे टाइप होने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली यू गेट दैट टाइपिंग ऑन द पेज. ओके, सो दैट पेज will be scanned and it will be posted on the blog. So it is called as typecast blogs. I hope you understood this. Now let us understand certain advantages of it. It provides opportunity to express oneself creatively. तो ब्लॉग्स क्या करते हैं, आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं ना, यू गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू एक्सप्रेस योर व्यूज, ओपिनियंस एंड टू मेक इट पब्लिक. Your views, opinions will be made public through blog. Correct. Next, it is a source of revenue, profit. So you can earn money. Many people are full time blogger. बहुत से लोग full time blogger है. They earn a lot good money through blogging. Okay. And blogging does not require much technical knowledge. ब्लॉगिंग के लिए आपको टेक्निकल नॉलेज बहुत ज्यादा होने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको कोई कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर वगैरह होने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ यू नो सर्टेन बेसिक थिंग्स related to internet, related to the blogging, then you can do it. Next, post can be updated time to time. Blogging में क्या होता है, it is one of the advantage of blogging that all the posts are updated time to time. So टाइम में ही अपडेट होता है, चेंज होता है, कुछ नया चेंज आता है, देन इट विल बी गिवन टू अस, गिवन टू यू. ओके. एंड पीपल कैन लीव कमेंट्स टू मेक द ब्लॉग्स हाईली इंटरैक्टिव. ये ब्लॉग्स हाईली इंटरैक्टिव है ना, बिकॉज यू लीव कमेंट्स ओवर देयर, देन द ब्लॉगर विल रिप्लाई बैक टू योर कमेंट, अगेन यू विल रिप्लाई बैक टू द ब्लॉगर. So like that, people leave comments, and that's why blogging is very interactive. And it provides variety of topics for readers. Readers के लिए बहुत से अलग अलग टॉपिक है. आप थोड़ा भी ऐसे टाइप करोगे ना, कोई भी चीज आप टाइप करोगे, you will get number of different blogs, and variety of blogs, variety of topics are available on blogs. These are the advantages of blogging. Now let us understand what are the disadvantages of blogging. See, the posts which the blogger posts can be biased. Biased matlab, say suppose any issue has happened, so the blogger may be having his own views. Those can be wrong conception, गलत नजरिया हो सकता है वो चीज की तरफ देखने का. So he is biased. अगर आपका गलत नजरिया है, if you have wrong conception about something, then you are a biased. So the person can be biased, those posts can be biased, even those can be inaccurate, retaliatory in nature. So when you read such posts, such blogs, you again get biased. And if suppose you read such kind of inaccurate information, your views may be your views might be biased, and you start looking towards the things with a negative perception. Okay. Next is readers can get addicted to computer and blogs. रीडर्स क्या होते हैं, कंप्यूटर्स में बहुत, ये ब्लॉगिंग कंप्यूटर में बहुत एडिक्शन उनका हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट, इट रिक्वायर्स एम्पल टाइम टू राइट अ ब्लॉग. ब्लॉग लिखने के लिए बहुत समय जाता है, सो इट टेक्स टाइम टू राइट अ ब्लॉग. एंड ब्लॉगिंग इज नॉट एन इजी करियर टू परस्यू. See, some of the people have done it and some of the people have earned a lot money through blogging, but it is not a cup of tea of all. ये सभी को होगा ही ऐसे नहीं. See, some have started it and they have realized that it is not possible for them to earn money, so they have got frustration. तो ऐसे भी चीजें हो चुकी हैं that some many bloggers, they might have left the blog incomplete because it is not an easy career. And people may leave rude as well as inappropriate comments. गलत comments डाल सकते हैं, rude comments डाल सकते हैं. So these are the disadvantages of blogging. I hope you understood blogging. समझ में आ गया blogging आपको? Understood blogging? Yes, students. Any doubt you have? Okay. If you don't have any doubt, let us move to the next point. Now, what is the next topic that we are learning? What's the next topic? It is social media. How many of you use social media? बताइए मुझे कितने लोग यूज करते हैं सोशल मीडिया? How many of you use social media? कितने लोग यूज करते हैं? Everyone. Yes, correct. Every one of us are using social media. Okay, which कौन सा social media आप use करते हो? कौन सा social media use करते हैं? You know there are many types of social media. So what are those? Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. Correct. So you know what is social media. Don't tell me YouTube. YouTube is not a social media. Yes, I was expecting the same thing and Irfan has written YouTube. Hmm?